The main pain point of all the local SEOs is that there is no tool available in the market, detailed keywords or detailed services, so that you can identify or you can create a proper cluster. So I also face the same problem. That's why I keep talking in my each video that we are not using SEMrush, Ahrefs or any other tool or boost my topical authority. So recently we have uploaded a video on YouTube about the content optimization process. So I talk about a little bit the topical map. Then we shared the same video on the Facebook. In my community, we have like more than 300 group members. They asked me that they want me to go and create a separate video that is only dedicated for the topical map. This video I'll try to cover each and every topic. So I request to all of you that please don't skip any single part. Otherwise, I'm not sure you are going to learn the exact thing which I am going to tell you in this video. So this video, after watching this video, you don't need any tool to do your keyword research or to identify the potential topic you need to cover to boost the topical authority. And believe me, just using the same method for for mostly my clients in the water damage restoration, they are literally doing great in last 3 to 4 months. Like we were working on these studies for last 6 months, but in last 3 months we literally automate everything. Now I'm going to show you the exact steps we are using in our own agency for our clients. Let's go to the screen. The template looks like this. If I delete this section here, so let me delete all of the data we have on this sheet. So we removed everything from the sheet. Let's assume I have done the research for water damage restoration. I'll use the same niche to get the data from different sources. In your case, you can use the niche you want. For niche case, so let's say we are putting water damage restoration, and then under the water damage restorations, we have already did the research. We already find the main topics. In my case, we are only working for top three main topics. In your case, this list could be go to up to 10, 20, whatever the numbers are. So this is how under the water damage restoration, we find these subtopics. So all these, how we find that, I'll show you each and every single step. So you can see here the name sources. So what I mean by sources here, so all the places from where you get the data. So if I show you that I already did a research on top 3-4 different angles, different keywords, and all the data you can see here. So what you need to do is just copy the URL, paste it on your sheet. So when you go, like next time, whenever you want to add more topics, you already have a list of all the sources. So if you need to go and find some keywords from Wikipedia or any other places, you need to mention all the sources where from you gather the data. And below this, you can mention some of the top competitors. They are only ranking because of their content, not for the links. Once you identify your main topic and the subtopic, your next and main goal of is to create a topical map. Just forget these 3-4 lists. You have identified your main. We already have a main topic. We need to create topic, subtopic 2, subtopic 3 and subtopic 4. This process should be on automation. So I'll show you the magic start from this prompt. So if you need the prompt, just do a comment and I'll give you the exact prompt I'm using here. Like we tried different prompts and keep making the prompt better after almost 3-4 months of iteration. After that, this GPT asked me about provide my main topics. I just provide my main topic here, water damage restoration. After providing the main topic, it will start automatically giving me all the subtopic level 2. Look at here, all the subtopics, and this list is beyond like more than 50 keywords. Then subtopic 3, like for the emergency water extraction, these are the subtopics 3. For the residential water damage repair, these are the subtopic 3. So this process, it will give you the entire mind map over thousands of different unique content ideas. We are not going to upload all these thousand topic ideas. But if you really want to go and provide the best results to your client, you keep writing you can start writing content around your main topics. For the next six months, you can easily go and create 100 pieces of content, like 50 pieces for residential, 50 for commercial purposes. You can do that also. But right now our goal is here to understand the process. I'm just taking you to the so you can see here. So step 1, subtopic 2, step 3, subtopic 2, subtopic 3, then subtopic 3 to subtopic 4. So it give me all the data, part 1 to part 12. So I'll drop the link of this GPT so that you can go through single prompt I used. I'll ask him to explain me the structure. I also provide him the exact CSV structure I need the data, so that it can give me the data according to the CSV file. And once I've done everything, I just go and grab the data and upload everything on this sheet. Right now we have more than 124 subtopics. So all of these are highly optimized for my main service. You can see here, all of these terms are highly optimized for my main services. We don't use any tool. It's a complete free process. It only took some of your own thoughts. So this is how you can go and create your own prompt, but it's not that much used topic. So right now we are living with the AI. So AI has the better access of data and at better speed. So if you provide him what you exactly need from the GPT, it will automatically go and gather the data for you and give you the whole data. So I just tried the another version here. The same thing here, simple prompt. Then you can see here. So these all are the subtopics: emergency services, water extraction and drying, structural repair, mold remediation and prevention, equipment and techniques used, insurance and claim support, specialty services, commercial specific services, residential. It will also give me residential related restoration service, fire storm. So this is how, without using any keyword research tool, we can do the better research without paying anything to anyone. I have a paid version, but if you have a free version, using the same prompt, you will get the same result. I tested it on every single version of ChatGPT in that sheet, and now there are 2-3 additional fields. They are optional. If you want to do make your research more organized, then you can do that. Otherwise you don't need to go and do that. So I'll show you that thing also, so that you can understand exactly. You need to identify the keywords for each of the term, because if you keep optimizing all of these terms for a single term, it could lead you to the cannibalization issue. That means you are optimizing more pages only for single term. So it's better to optimize all of them according to the different geographical data, different customer personas, or different search intent. Some of them you can optimize for commercial intent. Some of you can optimize for info content. You can add them to the blog sections. Some of pages, some of topics you can create supporting content for your service pages according to the need, according to the requirement of the campaign. Then you can go and create the titles here. Now these are some additional things. I keep using them. So I always prefer to know the search difficulty always, then type of content, then buyer's journey. So once we have all the data, it's easier for our content writers to understand the context before they start the content writing process. Okay, so that they don't do any mistakes and they can get the best results, lesser time, and they can make our optimization process much better. So the whole process is based on your single prompt and a single sheet. That's it. No fancy tools or no monthly subscription to all these tools, because these tools are designed for the big markets, designed for big niches. They never will provide you the data for small businesses or for small cities or towns. This is how you can you can get the topics, and then now once you have all the topics, you can add the geo modifiers. You can add any city, town, neighborhood, zip code, customer persona, You can create it according to your own need. If you really like this video, subscribe the channel. If you really get the value from this video, please like this video, share this video with all of your friends who started their journey recently in local SEO and they are paying money for any paid tools.